Hey guys and girls, quick little one, and it's on deep cleaning and then later protecting the dash in your car. Now we've got this beautiful 1971 911 Porsche and the dash on it a little bit dirty. A lot of just ingrained dirt and grime that's built up over the years that I dare say a lot of the other cleaners haven't been able to remove. Now what we use to remove them is Orange Agent. Now it doesn't remove the dirt and junk, it also gets rid of the silicons. Our other products are water-based, they hate silicons, so if you actually use them on it, on top of a silicon or an oil-based product, it's not going to go well, it's going to leave a very uneven finish. So the first thing we do is we clean with the Orange Agent. Now the Orange Agent's an all-purpose cleaner, but it's pH balanced. It still has all the good cleaning power in it, but being pH balanced, it's not going to damage or affect any of these delicate trims, particularly like the vinyl. So first thing we do, we spray, we've got our Square Bear applicator. And when you're spraying it in, don't go all hell-bent for leather, just gentle application, and just so it doesn't get spray everywhere. Nice and easy. We'll put a fair bit of it in there, 6 or 7 sprays. Now when we're applying it to the dash, we're gonna go in a circular motion because the actual top on this, it's all got all texture and all through all the grime and that's been hiding for over the years. Now, what we do, we apply it in, rub it right in, and got to keep it all wet. Critical thing is keeping it wet because it releases all the dirt, and if you let it dry, it's all going to dry back with it into the surface. So just small area at a time. Do that like half the top of the binnacle here, and then you've got to release it and look at everything in that, all the dirt and junk. Ooh. So what we now know, while it's still wet, Dirty Deeds cloth, wipe over, give it another, and that, it's a critical one to pull it off while it's wet, and the reason being you can see the dirt and junk that's actually gone into this, and turn it over to a clean side and give it that final wipe. Important with this one now here too, with this applicator, you can actually wash this out in water. You don't want to be using this side again on the next section due to the fact that all the dirt that's in there, you're going to transfer it back in. Likewise with the cloth you're going to use, the Dirty Deeds, all the dirt that's actually in this, if you go putting it back on, using the same side that's got dirt in it, you're going to transfer it back onto it. So always put to a clean side. Once you use all the sides up, get a fresh cloth, and this just keep wringing it out in water, and that's how you use those. Now that's it, it's clean, but it's a really stark finish. So what we do now is we use our Vinyl Care. Now Vinyl Care still does have a really good cleaning thing. You'll see it suds up when we use it, but it's more for protection and bringing back that natural matte finish that should be there on the dash. We don't like shiny ones due to the fact that shiny reflects off on the interior and especially onto the inside of the windscreen. It's pretty dangerous, it's crass, it's pretty rubbish. But we use the same thing again, Square Bear, Vinyl Care, and exactly the same deal. Don't push too hard, just nice, gentle little sprays, just enough to cover the whole area. And then we apply it onto it and you'll see it lather up. Same circular motion, and if there's any trace dirt and junk in there, this will get it out too. And it's critical as well with this product, you remove it while it's wet too. And for this one, we're going to use our Square Bear towel. It's a nice premium microfiber cloth, and being a light colour, you can see any dirt and that gets into it. And looking at that, there's bugger all. So we did a really good job with the Agent Orange. But that there now leaves a really nice even finish. This dash is from back in 1970 and it's still the original one on. It's been through a hell of a lot. The Vinyl Care will keep all this stuff like new. Works fantastic on the older cars, brilliant on the new cars as well. We absolutely love this gear and love using it on cars like this. It's restored it back to looking like how it should be when it was brand new. Not going to reflect up on the inside of the screen. Does a winner job. It's all silicon free too, which we absolutely love. Anyway, that's how we use these two products together. It's quick, simple and easy. I've got the rest of the dash to do now, so I'm going to get into it. But thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something from it. Cheers.